Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Today's video is actually a trip down memory lane for me. Lot of childhood memories. Come, let me share it with you. Over the weekend, we had gone for our weekly vegetable shopping where we buy wide variety of vegetables and definitely we buy some green leafy vegetables also. Dhania, methi or palak leaves. So when I went there, I found the vendor had one small cover like this and I was curious. I asked him what is this. I thought maybe he has got pudina leaves in this, and he told me that it is goranti. Goranti means mehendi leaves. So many of you would have seen, but the present generation they only know the mehendi powder and the cone. Many of them might not even have seen mehendi leaves growing up in cities. So this is what mehendi leaves look like. These are the absolutely fresh mehendi leaves. So I remember our childhood days. We used to go to our grandparents' place in Tiruchi, and after dinner at night, my grandmother would painstakingly sit down in front of the stone grinder and grind these mehendi leaves for all of us, 10 to 12 grandchildren, their mothers, everybody. And we all would apply it and be so excited to see the beautiful colors in the morning. So then immediately I called up my sister and I asked her, do you remember what all party would add in this? And she kindly remembered and told me. So today I am going to share that with you. See, I have washed the leaves. Now we'll add it to our blender jar. I don't have a stone grinder, so we'll grind it in this jar itself. To this, she would add this betelnut or areca nut, I think it is called, pak. So this we can actually just powder it like this. Here I have powdered it and kept, add it, and also a small piece of tamarind. If you don't have tamarind, of course you can add lemon juice also. This has to be ground into a fine paste. But don't add too much water, add water only little at a time because you want a thick paste. See, a nice thick paste like this. See how thick it is? So just add very little water and grind. Now before applying, add a few drops of eucalyptus oil to this and mix it well. Of course, we all finished our dinner very early by 7:30. All of us would be served our dinner and then party would grind this for us and we would all sit together and wait for our turn till she patiently applied it for us. And because of grinding, her hands would be lovely red color. Great memories. Now, so you do all that and be ready. And of course, when both your hands you have applied mehendi, you need some help. It is then you feel that some mosquito is biting you, or you feel you want to drink some water. These are all part of the fun. So you just take a small portion of this. They already applied. I am just showing it to you. And then we would make caps, like caps on the fingers like this. See, like that for all the fingers, and in the center also we would do this. You can just dip your fingers in some water and make any shape. Of course, today people make lot of artistic shapes with the cone. But personally, I prefer this traditional round shape only always, and maybe you can even add some few dots, they used to add like this. This way we would decorate our hands and feet also. And you have to leave it like this to dry for minimum 6 hours. So generally bedtime we used to put this and then lie down on our mats so that was no problem, nothing would get spoiled, and in the morning it would have become perfectly dry, and then you scrape it away, and once you wash your hands, you would be so happy to look at each other's hands and see how well the color has turned out. And after scraping out the mehendi, the dried portion, remember to add a few drops of oil. If you like, you can add the same eucalyptus oil and just a few drops and rub it on it. This mehendi is supposed to be very good for health, the one which we grind the leaves, and also it lasts a much longer time. See, the powder or the cone what we get, you get a very good color, I agree. But then 3-4 days and then the color starts fading away. When you grind leaves, the color stays for a much longer time, and it is supposed to have a number of beneficial effects for cooling down the body. Apart from that, see, some people get some kind of an infection just at the base of the nail, the skin and the nail. And so to prevent that also, they used to apply this mehendi, especially for your nails and your palm. A good way to decorate without any harmful chemicals in it. And see the beauty of our Indian culture. As the weather changes, as the season changes, everything is done in accordance with that. Now we are going towards the festival season. The Ashada Masam has begun, so you have lots of feasts and festivities. And then this practice of applying mehendi, which is also something very auspicious, also starts, and now these leaves are available. So just I wanted to share these lovely childhood memories with you, so that those who do not know, many of you will definitely know about this, but for those who do not know, they can also benefit and really be happy with this kind of simple ways to decorate your hands and feet. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen, and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.